A hilarious conversation between two birds. One day, two birds were busy exchanging stories in the trees. The first bird asked, "Do you know why cats like to chase us, bird?" "No idea, why?" replied the second bird. "Because they can't fly, so they're jealous of us," said the first bird with a laugh. The second bird responded casually, "But we can't walk either, so if we want to walk we have to jump." The first bird immediately fell silent, feeling defeated. While getting ready to fly away, he commented, "It doesn't matter, the important thing is that we can still fly higher than them." Hearing this comment, the second bird couldn't help but laugh. "Yes, we're better at flying, but don't forget that cats have sharp claws," said the second bird as it flew away. The first bird was silent and smiled in embarrassment. Running out of time, it went to its nest while pondering the second bird's words.